Hey guys, I'm Ashwati Balakrishnan and in this video I'll be showing you how to transform your day look to a night one. So I'm going to show you how you can pull off both the looks with Lakmé. So I'm starting off with Lakmé Absolute Argan Oil Rain Serum Foundation. I absolutely love the fact that it's non-sticky and non-greasy. I'm going to apply this all over my face using a sponge. Now to get rid of those eye bags and dark circles, I'm going ahead with Lakmé Absolute White Intense Concealer and going to blend the same with the same sponge that I used before. Because I want my face to look a bit more alive, I'm going to grab the Lakmé Absolute Face Stylist Coral Blush Duo Palette. I'm using both the shades just to bring in a little bit of warmth to my face, and for my everyday look, I basically leave it at this. Moving on to my brows, I would like to keep it very minimal. I'm using the Lakmé brow pencil and I'm going to just fill in. I'm using the same concealer to get rid of the excess. When it comes to eyeshadow, for the daytime, I would like to stick to one shade which complements my entire look. I personally love sticking to neutral shades and I think that's perfect for an everyday look. Moving on to the lips, I'm sticking with my Lakmé 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Cocoa Soft Lip and Cheek Color. I love this shade because it's a warm nude tinted shade and it's perfect for the day. Now I'm adding on some mascara to complete my day look. So this is basically my everyday makeup look and I hope you guys like it. Now moving on to my night makeup routine. I'm using the same eyeshadow palette and I'm going to layer this shade all over my eyelid. This pigment is so amazing, oh my god, I love it. Now I'm going to use this shade into my crease along the lash line to create a smoky effect. Now since the focus is on my eye, I'm going ahead with this fun pink tint which is lightly pigmented and it's perfect for my look. Last but not least, highlighter. Ta-da! I'm going to use this on my cheekbones, nose, chin, inner corner of my eye and my highest brow points. That's it guys. So this is my final look and I hope you guys love this look.